What a gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage home located in the Ridge at the Woods. And with a pool just in time for summer. This open floor plan with over 3,400 square feet has floor-to-ceiling windows and stone see-through fireplace that takes your breath away upon entering. So many areas offer flexibility. The kitchen is equipped with stainless appliances, gas cooktop, island, pantry, and is conveniently located next to the breakfast/dining area and family room. There is also a formal dining room and study. The primary bedroom with recessed ceiling is downstairs and offers an ensuite bath appointed with separate vanities, granite countertops, oversized shower, tub, separate water closet, and walk-in closet. Upstairs are 3 guest rooms, 2 share a Jack and Jill bath, and 1 has an ensuite bath. The interior space is complete with a utility room and half bath convenient for pool usage. Outside, enjoy the wooded views of the green belt from your saltwater pool with tanning deck, custom cover, and huge patio area. This house is perfect for entertaining or just enjoying. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.